Assalamualaikum ma'am. My name is Jackie and my ID is 1996 and our group name is Recursion and our group number is 2. So our presentation topic is today bank management system using C language. Imagine you go to the bank to withdraw money. The line is long, the forms are confusing and a single mistake can delay everything. Now think about how we do the same thing today, just a few taps on our phones and it's done in seconds. Our project, the bank management system, is a small step towards the digital transformation. So, what is the real life importance of our project? This project proves how even a simple program can reduce human errors compared to manual banking. It introduces OTP security, the same method we see in real banking apps. By simulating deposits, withdrawals, and transfers, it gives us a hand-on idea of how digital banking works behind the scenes. And most importantly, such systems form the foundation of mobile banking and online transaction we rely on every single day. So in our project, there are system features like account registrations, login system, dashboards, saving features, and security. For account registration, we have user registration with name, phone, NID, role, basically agent or personal, and password. We have also OTP verification to ensure security. In login systems, we require phone and passwords, allow only 3 wrong attempts, then logs the account for 30 seconds just like real apps. In our dashboard features, we have withdraw money, deposit money, transfer money, access saving accounts. And in our saving feature, we have only for personal accounts and lets users move money from their main balance to saving balance for future growth. In our security features, we have a strong password protection, OTP system, and user data is stored safely in text files. So I'm gonna hand over the next part of this project to my teammates, Bishma.
Hello ma'am, myself Bishoy and I am going to talk about the technical implementation of this code. Here I use C language. The main concepts I applied here are file handling to store account details in separate text file, structure to keep account data like name, phone and balance, functions for operations such as register, login, deposit, withdraw and transfer, string handling and validation to check user input properly, and random number generator for OTP verification. Now I am going to run this code. Here we can see three options: register, login and exit. As a new member I am going to register. Here I have to give my full name and my phone number. And 8-digit NID number. And I have to put my account as a agent or personal, so I am going to use personal. And I have to set a password. Here is the OTP. Now I have to put the OTP in correct way, otherwise my account will be not registered. So there is shown account registered successfully. Now I have to log in into my account, use the same phone number that I gave previously. Now password. Now as we can see, my name and my account type, balance, savings. Now I am going to deposit 5000 taka in my account. Now I can see that my balance is 5000. Now the next part will continue my friend Moaz.
Hello ma'am, this is Mahbub Alam Moaz. My ID is 2078. In our bank management system project, my assignment part is savings account feature. Now I will show how this feature works. First of all, I choose the savings account. So I type option 4. Now I enter in the saving menu. Since no plan is active, it shows the option to open either a 5 years plan with 8% interest or a 10 years plan with 10% interest. I will select 5 year savings plan. As you can see, the system confirms that the plan has been activated. Next, I will transfer 500 Taka from main balance to the savings balance. The system deducts the amount from the main balance and adds it to the savings balance. Finally, the updated balance shows that the main account has 4,500 Taka and the savings balance has 500 Taka. So this feature successfully simulated how real banks allows users to lock money into long-term savings plan. We have also planned some future improvements to our bank management system project. These are: first, we will add interest calculation for savings account so users can see their savings grow over time. Second, instead of using text files, we plan to use a database which will make the system more secure and efficient. Third, we want to include a transaction history feature so users can track all deposits, withdrawals, and transfers. Fourth, we aim to build a GUI graphical user interface which will make the system easier to use. Finally, we plan to improvement mobile banking feature such as bill payments and cash out for more convenience. These improvements will make the system more realistic, user-friendly, and closer to a real banking application. Thank you, ma'am, for your time and attention.